Looking for the best dog steps and stairs? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 dog steps and stairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, MaxPalmer Folding Dog Car Steps. Available with either 5 or 6 steps. Lightweight, steady, and sturdy. Steel frame with 1680D Oxford fabric and a non-slip design. Rubber pads on the bottom of the steps add traction. Includes a carabiner for securing the stairs to your car. These steps can safely hold dogs up to 200 pounds. The best option for pets and owners on the go. Not great for home use. At number 2, PetSafe Cozy Up Folding Pet Steps. Offered in grey and tan colors and in 2 sizes. Features an anti-slip surface that can also be replaced when needed, so the steps can last even longer. Lightweight and compact, these steps are easy to carry and move. These steps can support pets that weigh up to 150 to 200 pounds, depending on the size of the stairs you choose. Easy to use anytime, anywhere. Not as stable as other models. At number 1, Top Mart High Density Foam Pet Stairs. Wide steps that are safer and easier to use for most pets. Best for pets that are older or have mobility issues. These steps reduce strain on pets' joints. A corduroy cover means it's great for avoiding slips and is also easy to wash at home. The steps are durable and are made of 30D high density foam. Soft steps that are easy on the joints. Only one color is available. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.